Have you ever imagined harvesting fresh okra right outside your door, even if you don't own any land? The good news is, you don't need a farm. With just one container, enough sunlight, and proper care, you can enjoy a continuous harvest of fresh okra right from your backyard, balcony, or patio. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to grow healthy, productive okra in containers. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose the right container. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is using containers that are too small. Okra develops a deep taproot, so it needs enough room to grow. I recommend using a container between 5 and 7 gallons. This gives the roots enough space to develop properly and helps the plant produce more pods throughout the season. The container should also have good drainage holes because okra does not like sitting in water. Okra loves sunshine. For the best growth, place your container where it receives at least 8 hours of direct sunlight every day. The more sunlight your okra receives, the stronger the plant becomes and the more pods it will produce. If your plant receives only a few hours of sunlight, expect slower growth and fewer harvests. Watering is another key to success. Instead of giving your plant a little water every day, water deeply so the moisture reaches the root zone. Then allow the top layer of the soil to begin drying before watering again. The most important thing is consistency. Avoid letting the soil become extremely dry one day and soaking wet the next. This is where many beginners make a costly mistake. Most okra varieties are ready for harvest in about 50 to 60 days after planting. Don't wait too long before harvesting. Pick the pods when they are about 3 to 4 inches long. Young pods are tender and delicious. If you leave them on the plant too long, they become tough and fibrous. Here's another important secret. The more frequently you harvest, the more the plant continues producing new pods. Regular harvesting encourages continuous production throughout the growing season. Here are a few extra tips to help you grow even better okra. Feed your plants every 2 to 3 weeks with a balanced fertilizer or good compost. Remove weeds from the container so they don't compete for nutrients. Check your plants regularly for pests such as aphids and caterpillars and deal with them early before they become a serious problem. Healthy plants always produce better harvests. Let's quickly review. Use a 5-7 gallon container with drainage. Give your plant 8 hours or more of direct sunlight. Water deeply and consistently. Harvest in about 50 to 60 days. Pick pods when they are 3-4 inches long to keep the plant producing more. Growing okra in containers is one of the easiest ways to enjoy fresh, healthy vegetables at home, even if you have very little space. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe today, and click the notification bell so you don't miss our next container gardening lesson. I'd also love to hear from you. Tell me in the comments, have you ever grown okra before or are you planning to start? Remember, grow food, stay active, live better. I'm Coach ID and I'll see you in the next video.